a problem.
Everyone else is doing it. Go ahead.
Go to bed. Yo, go light it.
Get your old ass to bed.
Yeah, we know.
Grown man, by the way.
If you have an issue with it, call the cops.
4th of July, bud.
If you have an issue with it, call 911. It's the 4th. Oh, they can't do anything.
I know it's the 4th we're happy, but it's fucking 11 o'clock at night.
Actually, it's 10:55.
Move, Gus.
Oh shit, he's coming.
Gus, come on, Gus.
What? Huh? You're mumbling a little bit. Huh?
You motherfuckers don't think I won't?
I don't think you will.
I'll go to prison.
Actually, I think you would get touched in there.
You wanna laugh?
I didn't laugh. I'm talking, boy.
Hey, I'm serious, motherfuckers.
And? Why are you spamming it?
You don't know who you're fucking with.
Obviously, I don't.
He's an old fucking man
And?
that don't give a fuck if I goddamn kill
You walked all the way over here to yell at us over fucking fire. Yeah, walk away. It's fucking fireworks.
you.
Oh, shit.
Fuck on you.
Okay. Do you want a cookie? Jesus.
I'm fucking serious.
Okay.
Gus, shut up.
No. Fucking 4th of July. Jesus Christ. Yo, we got any more? Yeah, he just looked at it and walked. I think he needs a nap.